Hey everyone, it's Em.
And Irv.
And today is a special day. It's Friday the 13th.
Woo woo.
And for Irv's special gift to himself came in the mail today. And he wanted to do an unboxing and show you guys what he got. Obviously, it's for his car. I don't know what we would do with boxes this big identically before. You can probably guess what it is.
Could be a shelf.
Yeah, kind of tight. So,
I bought Pregame Masters, actually Desmond Pregame Masters Evo version 2.
Yes. But he's always wanted a set for himself.
But I had technically 2 sets of the same rim.
Yeah, he had a pair of white Pregame Master Evos. He, once upon a time, had a Civic, and he had some white Pregame Master Evos on them.
Panda.
Yep, he's been scouring the world for a perfect setup for his car for the reggaes, but as you guys might know, the originals go for an arm and a leg, basically, and sometimes they're not in the best condition. But Desmond came out with version 2 for I don't know why, and then Irvin obviously had to get it, so yeah.
But I was on, a year of like, should I buy it, should I not?
Yeah, and then now he got the last set in the color that he
Bronze.
wanted. Yeah. I don't know what's up with him and his friends lately. They all have black cars with bronze rims, but you know, whatever. To each their own. Well, I'll let Irvin get to it. I'm just gonna eat my pizza.
Yes, as you can tell, the box has been open because I got started, then I couldn't wait for someone to put my safe. But I didn't get that far. Brochure? I don't know. I like keeping all my stuff in my boxes. Matter of fact, I still have Emily's box for her Pregame Masters.
We'll show you the size comparison in a bit. We'll let Irvin.
But I'll show you guys later. This is my receipt.
We got them from ICB Motorsport. Amazing customer service, by the way.
Yeah, because your boy called them at least like 5 times because I got issues and we had issues with the payment.
We just had some technical difficulties because we were trying to order it from our phones, but they were awesome. Very patient, very helpful, loved it.
That and when Emily was ordering for me because I was texting and driving, she was showing me which lug nut she was putting in the cart. I told her which one it is, but I accidentally ordered the lug nuts that don't have locks.
And all it took was just a quick phone call, and then they got it squared away. I sent in the difference for it, and yeah, they were awesome, very accommodating.
Awesome customer service. Here are the rims.
Wow.
Like I said earlier, the bronze.
They're satin bronze.
Well, satin bronze.
Yeah.
That's what the internet said, and everything on the internet's true.
Stop it. Can you? What specs did you get them in?
Specs I got them are 17 by 9 plus 22, which is almost the specs I want. I wanted 17 by 9 plus 18, which are the GTR specs, but those are expensive and I could never find a good set.
In the original set, right?
In the original set. And I like having brand new boxes. Or not brand new, but they come in a box.
And he yells at me for trying to keep all my boxes. Anyways, go on.
Funny story too is about these rims. These are the last ones in stock.
For that color.
For this color.
In that spec.
So I'm using that as Destiny. These are probably mine. Now they're mine. In my hand. Here's the back. I know you guys don't care, but it's whatever. Anyways, these are valve dams. Nothing special. Just black. I thought they came with silver ones, but these are better.
It'll match your car.
Be right. Your stickers. This is a business card. See? Desmond. Yes, they're real. They're not real Rotas.
Stop.
It's the back.
Perfect.
Pick that up, don't worry. Here's the stickers. The spoke.
So they go on the fins of the starfish.
And here's the Evos.
Okay, sorry.
Here's the decals that go around the lip.
Fancy.
I'm bougie sometimes. Just sometimes. And a directions. I don't need these. Just kidding, I need them. Because your boy me messing up a lot. Man, the love nut I picked up was every person that owns Pregame matches has to own these love nuts. Project Peak love nuts. As you can see. And they have to be Neopro. So yeah, every person I see that runs Evos run these. And they're multicolored.
They're multichrome. Not multicolored.
You guys know what I mean.
No, they don't.
Every car guy knows what I mean.
What are you doing? Oh, God.
Do you guys see this ice cream everything? I almost squished my line. But it's okay. I can get you that later.
I think it's interesting. It used to come 2 rims in a box, and now it's individual.
Yeah, I don't know why I like keeping boxes. And luckily my cousin still has a box. Anyway, anything else to say?
No. Well, I think that's all for the unboxing video because obviously the other 3 boxes are going to have the same rim, so we're not going to open those right now. But whenever he decides to get tires put on and mount them onto the car, we'll probably do an update video and let you know what specs he decided to run and spacers and whatnot and all that good stuff. But that'll probably be down the line a little bit later. We have a lot of adulting things to do, and he just wanted to make sure he got this last set because it was, like I said, he's always been a fanboy, you know?
And your boy don't want to wait another 6 to a year for them to ship a big old pallet here.
He's impatient. But until then, I guess we'll do an update video whenever that happens. But yeah, until next time, bye!
Bye!